All right, boys and girls, here we go. Time to work on version 2 of this bad boy. I'm gonna start on the disassembly and I'll get back to you when it's time to start building. All right, so I was able to reuse that base. I cut it into what the box is gonna be for the Turner housing. Most people, they just make, the front, the back, and then they have the top. But I think I'm gonna have a third back just because I'm having a really tough time keeping things level. So what I'm gonna do, I'll mark out where all the pipe's gonna go. I'll take it over to the drill press so I can get a nice even cut through all 3 boards, and I'll work off of that. Hopefully it'll work better this time because those T's were tough to level. You'll see what I mean in a second. Okay, now I'm just drilling out that back piece. It's gonna house the motors, so the hole needs to be a little bit bigger. You can use a hole saw like this. I don't know if they make a spade bit that big or not. These guys are easy to use. You can use that with a hand drill too. If you're really into it, you could save these little pucks and make knobs for other things later on. I'll find something to do with that. Alrighty, got all the holes drilled. These 2 are identical. These are 1-inch holes. This is a 2-inch hole. I used Forstner bits here, hole saw here. You could have also used a spade bit. If you're going to use a hand drill, do not use Forstner bits. Use either a hole saw or a spade bit, because the Forstner bits will tweak and you'll wreck your wrist. I did change the dimensions ever so slightly. That's why I didn't reuse that piece over there from the last build. They're gonna be 7 inches, all 3 of them, 7 inches tall, still 4 feet wide. Okay, so 1-inch holes, 1-inch holes, 2-inch holes, 7 inches tall, 4 feet wide. Also worth noting, these 1-inch holes aren't quite enough for PVC pipe to go through them. I want them to be tight enough to where it stays level, but not so tight that they won't turn. So I'm gonna be getting out the old hand file here, doing this the hard way.